welkom bij een nieuwe video van SociaTaal. In this video we are going to learn about articles in Dutch, because in the end we want to know if it's de pen or het pen. Articles in Dutch can be called artikel or lidwoord. In Dutch we have three articles, de, het and een. These articles can be divided into definite and indefinite articles.
De and het are definite articles. Een is the indefinite article. An indefinite article refers to a person or thing that is not identified or specified. And a definite article refers to a person or thing that is identified or specified. For example, ik zie een hond. Ik zie de hond.
Since we have two definite articles, de and het, the big question is when to use which one. I mean, is it de boek or het boek? Or is it de auto or het auto? And the real answer is that there is no hard rule for this. You have to learn this by heart, and the more you read and listen to Dutch, the better you will remember every article for every noun. Now, there might not be a hard rule for this, but there are some really helpful and important guidelines. I summarized a couple of the most important guidelines right here. Let's have a look.
Plural nouns always take the article de. For example, het boek turns into de boeken. You can use this application too on my website. It's part of the SociaMember subscription. The second guideline is that diminutive nouns always take the article het. These are nouns ending in je. For example, de hond turns into het hondje. Persons are almost always de words. For example, de vader, de moeder, de broer, de bakker and de advocaat. And the fourth guideline is that vegetables and fruit always have the article de. For example, de banaan, de komkommer, de ananas.
There are a handful of other guidelines, but these aren't too accurate. They are always, most of the time, de, or most of the time, het. And therefore I wouldn't recommend you to learn all these rules by heart, because it's just not going to help you. Instead, for every new word that you learn the article too. So if you learn a new noun, don't only learn the noun, but also know if it's a de or a het noun. However, if you're still curious about those other guidelines, then you can go to my blog and read my blog post about articles. Okay, top! Time to practice. Here are 5 nouns and I want you to fill in de or het. If you want more exercises, you can become a SociaMember. There's a link in the description, and if you are a SociaMember, you get more exercises on every YouTube video and much more. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Keep practicing Dutch, and as I always say, tot de volgende keer.